My name is Asia Frazier, and this is my Project 3 for Psychological Foundations. I chose the choice number 2, which is model a conversation with parents describing a specific student's learning style, behavior, or motivational issues. Good afternoon, Ms. Walker.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing? Okay, I wanted to revisit Ava's 504 plan with you. I've noticed that she tends to zone out in class. She's having difficulty focusing on the lessons, and she's also failing to complete the tasks independently.
Yeah.
I've also noticed that she's a visual and tactile learner, and that means that she likes to do lessons that are hands-on.
Yeah.
Anything that has her participating or getting out of her seat or anything like that, she's all for that. So I've come up with some activities that will help her either at home, and I have activities for at school. I can give you copies to take home. Okay. The first activity is a literacy activity. It's called What's My Word? This would involve me working one-on-one with Ava, and the activity is set up where we're practicing blends and blending. So I would sound out the word for her, basically giving her each sound, and she has to mentally blend the word for me, and the number that I give her for that specific question, she has to put that number on this activity.
Can you give me an example of how that would work for me to help with her in class?
Okay, so for the first one, it has a picture of a snake.
Okay.
I'm going to give you the sounds for snake. Snake.
Okay.
And she has to mentally blend snake. And she will write down whatever number I told her that this question was for.
Okay.
Okay, and this is an example of the activity. Also, for math, the activity I'm going to show is a floor game teaching time.
Okay.
It involves a big mat of a clock, and it has the hands available for the clock, or she can lay in the floor and her hands could be the hands for the clock.
And I think this will help her because math is one of her weaker subjects, and that's one of the things she gets accommodations on her 504 plan for math. So I think this will be good for her.
Okay. So do you have any questions for me?
No. I think this will work, and I know what to do for her on here. Now I have a question. Well, I do have a question for you. Like, if we wanted to do the blending, could I use the letters that you sent home, the magnetic letters, for her to pull? Like for snake, could she pull the SN?
So you want her to actually spell it out for you?
Well, no. If she just wanted to pull the SN, since you said that she needed to use the what's the word that you said
Phoneme?
She was? No, her learning style. What did you say she was?
Visual and tactile.
That's it. Since you said that she was visual and tactile, can she use those letters to actually formulate those words?
Oh, of course.
Okay.
You can make it. You can make it a game, and you all can do it on the refrigerator at home.
Okay.
Where you can time her to see how long it takes her to formulate what you're sounding out for her.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. I can do that. We can do that.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, this concludes my presentation. Thank you.